we're going to be checking out the 2024 model banner bill that is RVIA certified from TOURIG. The RVIA model still comes equipped with an agile rip kit, a Fiamma awning, and upgraded wheels and tires. On the roof of this banner, we have a TOURIG roof rack, a pneumatic air conditioner, a solar package, a Max Fan Deluxe, as well as exterior lighting. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we can see the Premium Plus package with the 10¼ inch head unit, factory swivel seats, as well as adaptive cruise control. Always featured, we have our airliner cabinetry. We have silver gray walls, an ultra moon ceiling, cal gray airliner cabinetry, and maple butcher block. All of the interior features of this model can be controlled easily by the S-Pod control unit that we have conveniently placed on the front side of the galley by the slider door and off of the utility cabinet off of the rear doors. Our upper cabinets feature lighting on top of the cabinet as well as below the cabinet. We can also find lighting inside of our headliner shelf as well as our ceiling. We also feature a cargo light in the garage area. This banner model includes all of the amenities that you would need for life on the road, including a true induction cooktop, a 130-liter isotherm fridge, a stainless steel Ruvati sink, a microwave, and plenty of storage for all of your things. This van includes 2 different heating systems. The first is going to be the AquaHot 125D. We love this product because it acts as a water heater as well as an interior furnace. You also have 2 different options in how you want to fuel it. You can either use the burner option that pulls off of your diesel tank, or if you're plugged into shore power, you can use it off of the electric option. This van also features an S-bar heating system that can be found underneath the passenger seat base. TOURIG loves the option of a secondary heater because it provides redundancy and an extra boost of heat when you are in extreme temperatures. The banner model also provides a dedicated shower area. This enclosed fiberglass shower provides a cassette toilet as well as a full standing area to shower off. The bed in the Bruce banner is an Olympic Queen. Behind the bulkhead and beneath the bed, we have our garage area. This area houses our 2 utility systems, our plumbing system and our electrical system, still leaving you plenty of space for all of your gear. The 2024 banner model provides a 24-volt electrical system, which you can monitor from inside of the cabin on the large color touchscreen. From here, you can also see your freshwater tank capacity as well as your graywater tank capacity. This specific banner model is fully outfitted in TOURIG soft goods. We have a slider door bug screen, as well as rear door upper-lower bug screens, as well as blackout screens, and a full window cover set.